What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Wow, what a week we have had. The S&P 500 is up 3.73% just because of some, good news coming out of the Iran war with the ceasefire and future agreements being made. And obviously that's been amazing for the market, and obviously my portfolio, which has a higher beta than the market, so my portfolio just completely skyrocketed. As you guys can see, haven't got any put any new money in. I'm saving for I'm not saving for a house, but I've got expenses to do with the house. Like I've got surveyor, lawyers, legals. So yeah, all the money right now is being set aside for that. Obviously, when I get the house, I'm gonna have to spend money to refurb it. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna put money anytime soon. I might chuck of like a £500 here there, but yeah, for the most part, I'm not gonna put any money for at least the next 6 months. So yeah, my biggest position, the reason why my portfolio is just skyrocketed is because Tesla is up 14.94% on the week. Now now the value is £146,000, up £43,000 or 42.56%. Currently got 495 shares. And another one of my positions that has bounced back is Robinhood. I'm only down 9.6%, which is good. Up 31.16% on the week, which is crazy. Obviously, I wish I bought the dip more on Robinhood, but obviously, yeah, I couldn't do that just because my house came about at the wrong time. So I had to put money aside for that, and then IRN up 21.74% on the week. Now I'm up 15.26%. Got 50 shares, up £234, and my final one is a bit more of like a safer bet, but still up 13% on the week. Now I'm up 10.49% on this position, which is crazy. Obviously, I wish I had more money to be buying more, just because I think this is a safer bet. Um, yeah, so that has resulted in my portfolio now being £150,000 on the last 24 hours, up 4.4 grand, and obviously on the week up 18,000, 18 like 0.4k on the week. Rate of return of 13.9% on the week. Still break even on the month, 3 month. And the crazy thing, even after all of this, on the 3 month, we're still down 12.666k. So yeah, it's still got room to grow. If you go on the 3 month with Tesla, it was trading in the 449, 3 months ago. So yeah, still lots of room to go. We've got Tesla's Q1 earnings, middle of next week, or that in Wednesday. So yeah, we can either continue just skyrocketing if there's good news there, or we could be falling right back down to the mid 300 range. So we'll see. Either way, I see it as a buying opportunity, regardless if you're going up, because that's good news. Or even if it's down, see it as a buying opportunity. So anyway, guys, yeah, that's my portfolio. If we go into my holdings, we've got Tesla, 495 shares of Tesla, up 42.56%, 50 shares of IRN, up 15%, 20 shares of Robinhood, still down. That's my own position, that is down 9.6%. Obviously, 2 shares of Microsoft, up 10.49%. Now, the asset allocation has changed. I'm now down to 97.5% Tesla, got 1.1% IRN, 0.89 Robinhood, and 0.41% Microsoft. I did put a community post out saying which of my stocks you want me to do a deep dive in, and the winner of that post was Tesla. So expect that coming. I don't know when I'm going to get around to making it. Obviously, I'm very busy with just work and obviously the house. So and a video like that takes a lot longer than just these portfolio updates to make. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on when I get around to doing that, and obviously eventually I'm going to be doing a deep dive on all of my positions. But yeah, considering Tesla is the dominant driver, that is the one I'll be doing first, and obviously you guys want to see that one first. So yeah, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. What a week in the stock market. Obviously, not every week can be like this, and none of it's realized. If I'm still down from an all-time high. If you go on the 1 year, we did hit £166,000. back in December, and even in the October highs, we were at 160,000. So yes, I'm still nowhere near my all-time highs, but what a week, and if we get more weeks like that, it's not going to be long till we're over £200,000, which is just mental. If we if we have another week of 18 grand, 18 grand, 80, like that's literally 3 weeks away from crossing the 200 grand mark. Obviously, I know not every week is going to be like that. But yeah, no, I'm buzzing. Obviously, nothing in this video is financial advice. This is just me showing you my journey, my portfolio. Don't just copy my portfolio. I wouldn't recommend it. Do your own research. Obviously, the best thing to do, in my opinion, is to just be invested in stuff which you have such a high conviction. When we go through the downturns, like we have, over the past 3 months, so obviously my portfolio, went, obviously my portfolio went from 100. If you go to here, it went from 166 all the way down to 122. And the best thing to do there is just obviously have the high conviction plays, not to sell, stay invested in the market. And if you've done your research into the right companies, held on to it, firm with your beliefs, it should recover. Obviously, it depends on, the markets. Just going into the S&P 500 is a bit different to do individual companies, because there could be something wrong underlying with the company. But if the company's continuing to grow, continue to execute on what you thought it was going to execute on, and it should recover. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did want to start building wealth like this, you wanted a free fractional share worth up to £100, it is an affiliate link, so I also do get a free share worth up to £100. Make sure to click the link in the description, and I'll leave it in the top comment, pin comment as well for you guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.